Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little bit since I've posted a video, but we're back at it in 2026. Today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on a 2025 Schaefer V44. It's got triple Mercury 600s on it. She runs pretty good. It's got about 120 hours on her. As you may or may not know, these boats are made in Brazil. This particular boat will probably get her listed up next week. And no tariff on this one. As I understand it, the tariffs in Brazil for this piece of equipment here is about 50%. So get this one while you can. This was actually delivered in 2025 before the tariffs went into effect. So really cool boat, and I'm gonna go ahead and step on board, give you a little walk through and show you what she's all about. Let me see if I can get a better shot over on this other side here. And she's been covered since new. Massive cover here. Check that out. But yeah, she is looking pretty good. Really cool design. It's got these massive decks built into the gunnel here that fold out. So it's actually ginormous. What a party machine this thing is. And she belongs in Miami. Yes, sir. Nice East Coast boat. All right, I'm gonna jump on board. It's a pretty cool feature. Nice little TV for the back deck area. All right, I'm gonna start up here at the bow.
Put this back up then?
Yep, you can put that back up. And got some really nice lounge pads up front here. Speakers everywhere. Really nice hardware. Super nice hardware. Wow, look at the size of that. Windlass, you got your fender storage down below here. What's that?
Yo, you got it?
Yeah, yeah. So this has got a coffin here.
No, that's all underneath. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. That is the exit hatch for the forward stateroom. Close that up. So this is all for your headspace down below. Got rod storage here. Integrated LED driving light, radar, all the typical options. Lots of speakers we got in there. It's like a little.
So just steps.
Oh, just a step.
Just step up.
Yep, just this little step with a little built-in light right there. That's nice. Big speakers down here. Got your throwable right here. And then we have the main helm area, really nice. All Garmin. Little charger right there. This is the latest and greatest controls for the Mercury engine. Got your joystick, sky hook, and a bow thruster, which is super nice. Let's see what else we got here.
This is the retractable sun.
Oh yeah. Look at that. That is beautiful. It's fast too. That's great. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take a step down below.
Yep.
Got some of your switching here. Has C-zone, right?
Yes.
Yep, so it's got C-zone, and it's got some mechanical switches here just in case. Nice galley. There's your forward stateroom. Storage. Built-in TV. Custom glassware. Storage fire extinguisher. And she's got a dry head, which is awesome. See if I can get a light switch on here. Yeah, it's super nice. Hello. Super nice head. And then got a microwave, got your fridge, freezer. So your switching. Give you guys an idea of how it's equipped. Own-end generator. And your aft stateroom, a couple of twins. Super nice layout. A little privacy there. Okay, back here, storage. 110 outlet. Check out this seating. Dual row seating.
Oh, there you go.
Grill that doesn't look like it's ever been used. I'm getting a nod that it's not. You got a freezer here, freezer plate. And your sink. Oh, nice big ice maker. Big. That's huge. Super nice. And we got some storage. And we got another nice fridge right here. Everything's like brand new, folks. So yeah, these both drop down, port and starboard. Got this table that opens up.
What's nice is these will flip back like this.
That's cool.
And that way.
Yeah, that's cool. So you can lay in either direction. You can either have forward seating or lay lounging in the back, looking at those beautiful 600 Verados. That's right, folks. 1,800 horsepower. What does she cruise at?
Probably 32, 34.
Yeah.
And the top speed 63.
63. That's a lot of boat for 63. Yeah, for sure. And under here we have.
Here, let me raise the engine hatch and you don't have to lift that hatch.
Okay. All right. Got the owner here helping me out. Got your fuel tank right here. Man, it's super clean. So this boat is all finished down in this area here. And they basically said there's what, one of three that are finished?
No, inside paint was.
Oh, inside paint.
One of two. There were only 3 boats with the 600s on the back.
Okay, so there's one of 3 boats has the triple 600s on the back. And then the other ones have what, triple 450s, 400s, triple 400s. Yeah, so this one's definitely the one you want. And on the interior, they basically said this is one of 2 that they've painted the entire interior, and they pretty much said that they're not doing that going forward. It's just way too much work, way too time consuming for them. So they're just not going to do it. But, and then there's more storage. Oh boy, there is an absolute ton of storage. down here. You got your charging system, breakers, battery switches, all of that. I can tell you it still smells new. Smells like fresh fiberglass. Got your ladders here. And I'm telling you, these cleats are something else. Serious hardware there. And yeah, this has got this sure shade up here. Keep everybody shaded in the back if you want it. And this is real teak, folks. This is not the fake stuff. This is the real stuff. Teak table. Folds out. And these turn around too, right? So,
Yes.
so these turn around as well. So you could get 6 to 8 people around this table pretty easy.
Eight people easy.
8 people easy. I think he's done that. He knows from experience. But yeah, this is a super nice setup. Get this one while you can before the tariffs have already kicked in, so you're going to be paying a little bit more if you order a new one. And yeah. Yeah, that's what we got going here. Beautiful boat. Thanks for watching.